Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute bag. Make a magic circle, insert your hook into this yarn, pull up yarn, turn it, make 2 chains, yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, stitch first round in this ring, hide this tail of yarn under a stitch and continue. I made 11 double crochet in first round. Now we have 12 stitches in this round. Insert your hook into first chain, slip a stitch, make 2 chains, yarn over, go to this stitch, first stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, make 2 double crochet in each stitch for this round, like this, and continue. In second round we have 24 stitches. Insert your hook into first chain, slip a stitch, make 2 chains, go to first stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 2 double crochet, and continue like this. 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in 1 stitch, 2 1 2 1 2 1, and continue 2 1 2 1 until here. In this round we have 36 stitches in total. Insert your hook into first chain and slip a stitch, make 1 chain, go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch, make 1 single crochet for 12 stitch, yarn over. Now make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 7 double crochet in this stitch. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stitch. Go to next stitch and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochet. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet and make 1 single crochet in each stitch for this round. Join these pieces together. Insert your hook into these loops, this loop and this loop. Join from back loops. Tie yarn, go to this stitch, make a chain, take back loops, make 1 single crochet, join with single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and continue like this until here. Make a magic circle, insert your hook into yarn, pull up yarn, make a chain, make 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 4 half double crochet, 5, 6, 7, 8, half double crochet, insert your hook into this chain, slip stitch, make a chain, go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, a slip stitch.